What's up, everybody? It's Glenn here at Loess Hills Harley-Davidson, your home in the hills. Bringing the showroom to you today. I just had to show you a few things going on here in the dealership. I'm pretty pumped up about it. Right to our right here when we walk through the doors, we just got in this 2021 Road Glide Special. That Billiard red two-tone vivid black is the bee's knees. That black trim also looks really good. Got a really nice setup of Dynas and Softails in stock right now. So if you're looking for something like that, street bobs, breakouts, you name it, we have it. We've got a good selection, just like that Deadwood Green Street Bob Special right there. 114 cubic inch engine and that tiny little light motorcycle that's going to have a ton of fun with. Got a few nice baggers right here in the lineup. That mysterious red looks really good on that Ultra Limited right there, so definitely come check it out. Let's step into the toy box real quick. Got a lot of stuff happening. We're always buying motorcycles. We're taking fresh trades in daily, so if you have a bike for sale, don't hesitate to call us. 712-800-3354. Ask for Dan in sales. He's really fair. You don't buy this many nice motorcycles without being fair. Look at this beautiful Road Glide Special right there. That is a fresh purchase machine here at Loess Hills. Now, all these bikes that you're seeing in the toy box, they do have to go through service to get reconditioned and make sure they're ready for you to get on the road. They're safe, they're mechanically sound. That's our goal. Our used bike selection is one of the best around. I mean, look, we just passed up that chrome yellow Street Glide. That's a blast from the past. That thing had everything you want on it. Tour pack, you name it. That Road Glide Special there and a 15 Superior Blue Road Glide Special. But let's get back to the 2021 that we saw up front. Like I said, it's a two-tone Billiard red vivid black. This bike's got a 114 cubic inch engine in it. That's plenty of power and plenty of torque you're putting to the ground, and it's super smooth. They did a really good job on the specials with the stretch saddlebag. On this particular model, they put the Harley-Davidson emblem on it. It looks really good. The badging's done really good. And right to the radio, the GTS radio was a great upgrade from the previous years. It loads faster, it's simplified, it's easier to use, and they did a great job with it. They do have some great accessories for your radio upgrades. They partnered with Rockford Fosgate this year, which is amazing. You have really clear sound. And like I said, that radio is perfect. It is, like I said, simplified and easy to use. That shark nose fairing, you guys know if you've ridden a Road Glide that it is one that you just have fun with and you can get out on the highway and really enjoy it. That fairing cuts through the wind. It reduces the weight on the steering stem, in my opinion, and it makes the bike handle better. It does. Some people can't get over the looks. I absolutely love the looks of a shark nose, and they did a great job in 2015 when they came out with the Rushmore style fairing for it. They come factory with LED headlamps now, so you do have that brighter factor at night. But I mean, just look at this bike. It's absolutely amazing. They did a great job. The black trim on it, it just sets the paint off on this bike. You can check it out at loesshillshd.com. Go to the toy box, check it out, open it up, see all the inventory. We try to do a great job of getting good pictures to you guys and making sure that we're finding nice, low mile, good, clean bikes with a lot of good stuff on them. So we're the spot to be. Check it out, loesshillshd.com. You know, you're gonna find bikes like this on there and plus, you know, so if you've been looking, we're the spot to stop.